Okay, students, here we will find some of the dimensional we will find the dimensional formula of some other physical quantities. In last class already I have explained the dimensional formula of different physical quantities. Again I am going to write down the dimensional formula of some other physical quantity. Let us say angle. Okay, we have to find out the dimension of angle. Then dimension of theta is what? How we define it? Theta equal to L by R. Length of the chord, length of the arc and radius. This is what? Length of arc and radius. ऐसा लेते हैं. Suppose this is the angular displacement angle कहिए. Angular displacement, you can say angular displacement theta. This value is what? That is length of arc. Okay, L, and this value is what? R. Then theta equal to L by R. What is L here? This is what? L, length, and radius is what? That is length. Power is 1. Then the power is 1 minus 1. That is L to the power 0. Or we can say M to the power 0, L to the power 0 and T to the power 0. What does it mean? This is dimensionless quantity. Okay? Then dimension of angle will be nothing. It is a dimensionless quantity. Okay? Now let us set angular velocity. Let us try to find out the dimension of angular velocity. Okay, we write down it omega. Then what we know? Omega equal to angular displacement 2 pi by t. Okay, let us say this. Angular velocity is omega. This angle of rotation from here to here is 2 pi, and time taken from rotating the object, rotating from here to here again, that is time period. So this is what? This is the angular displacement. Angular displacement and time period. What we have seen here, if we are interested in writing on the dimensional formula, then angular displacement, angle or angular displacement what is the dimension here? This is dimensionless. Then say 1. Okay, dimensionless, that is say 1, nothing, and this is time period. Time period, the dimension of time period is what? T, that is 1. Then this is now t to the power minus 1. Okay, the dimensional formula of angular velocity is t to the power minus 1. Now let us find out the dimension of what? Angular acceleration. Angular acceleration. Okay? Okay? Then angular acceleration is what? Again, angular वेलोसिटी, जैसे आप उसमें क्या लेते हैं, एक्सेलरेशन इज इक्वल टू वेलोसिटी डिवाइडेड बाय टाइम, देन हेयर एंगुलर वेलोसिटी बाय टाइम, then angular velocity, dimension of angular velocity we have already known, that is what, that is t to the power minus 1, and here what, t to the power 1, then this one is what, t to the power minus 1 minus 1, that is t to the power minus 2. Okay, angular velocity. Now angular velocity, angular displacement. Okay, now let us find out the dimension of what, frequency. Frequency, how will define frequency? Frequency n equal to 1 by t, that is what, 1 by time period. Okay, time period, dimension of n is equal to what, that is 1, dimension of t and time period, that is dimension of t, here this is t to the power 1, then this is what, this is t to the power minus. Okay, now let us try to find out the dimension of Young's modulus of elasticity. What? Young's modulus of elasticity. This is denoted by y. Then y is what? That is longitudinal stress upon strain. This is coefficient of Young's modulus of elasticity is what? That is the ratio of stress and strain. Okay, what we have known already. Already we have derived the dimensional formula of this. Now write down here. This is what? Force per unit area. Stress and strain is what? Dimensionless, or write down like here, change in length divided by change in length divided by original length. Okay, then this is what? Force. We know the dimension of force, ml t to the power minus 2, and dimension of area is L to the power 2. Now force, dimension of force, dimension of area, change in length is what? That is in L to the power 1. Original length, that is again length power 1. Then this is what? M to the power, here m to the power L 1, and this power is minus 2, and here this is t to the power minus 2, and this is what? L to the power 1 minus 1. Okay, then what we can write here? M L to the power what? Minus 1 minus 2, and t to the power minus 2, and this is what? L to the power 0. Then this is what? M L to the power minus 1 and t to the power minus 2. Okay, this is the dimensional formula of Young's modulus. Okay, today you have learned other dimensional formula of other physical quantities. Okay.